Hello everyone and welcome back to day 5 of the UE4 Mega Jam. So today was a lot better than yesterday. At least I got some work done. I've got the full loop in now so that we have I've limited the amount of missiles you can shoot and homing missiles, and I haven't fixed the turrets, but I'm still hoping to do something with that. And I've created some pickups now, so when the ships get destroyed, they will drop a pickup, but that hasn't been fully implemented yet. But so I'll just show you where we are. So there's these pickups that add to your missiles or your rockets. And now I can't just spam shoot. I've got to sort of tactically go for it. I still want to play around with the enemy AI, but it's just polish at this point now. Still confusion with the turrets, but you can use them. And a laser. Oh yes, now we can raise our shield. So if they're attacking and we have our shield up, we don't take damage. I'll show you that again because that's kind of important to the gameplay. Let me just see if I can actually full screen this. Okay, so if we get into the range of an enemy and then they fire at us, and we're going to have some like voice saying, oh, enemy in range, and I put my shields up, I take the damage on my shields, I don't take any on my hull. But then there's a cooldown for that. I can put my shields up again. But if I don't time it right, then I take the damage. So it's much more difficult now, but it's actually quite fun to play. So tomorrow, Cyberpunk comes out, so I'm not 100% sure how much work I'll get done. But I just need to sort out some levels so that you go and you've got to attack more than one or one set of enemies, or maybe I'll just do it as a wave thing if I don't want to do levels, because then we're going to have to save all the variables and do all that kind of stuff, which I'm not 100% sure I want to do. Because I'd like to finish this up. I've also worked a little bit more on the ship, just adding a little bit more detail to it, making it look more like a space yacht with cannons. There's like a bit of where people live here, and I'm going to put some engines on the back as well. But yeah, I mean, it's all coming together now. Just trying to get it so that everything's communicated. Tomorrow definitely is going to be some sound work. If not tonight, I'm going to put some of that in. And then I'm just going to figure out if I'm going to do levels or spawn in extra ships in, which will probably be the one I go for because it'd just be easier. And then we've got to do like a start screen and all that kind of stuff. I want to get it ready for controller as well. But it should all be doable in the amount of time that we have left. One of the things we're not going to get done that I wish I had time for is to just add more depth to the control of the ship. Right now I have a boost set up, but you really can't tell that it does that much. Let's try again. And also it has that awful, like that particle effect it should just stay on the sort of rocket end of the ship and go like it's speeding up. But yeah, that's not working as it should. So yeah, I'd just like to add more depth to the actual control of the ship. But I think just the combat should be fun, especially for just like a week-long game jam. But yeah, okay. So that's it for today, and I'll catch up with you in the next one.